Plain rice is good, but have you ever tried giving it a delicious upgrade? Hello food lovers, today I'm making one of my favorite rice recipes with potatoes, carrots and a rich tomato base. It's simple, colorful and packed with flavor. Let's get cooking. I start by heating a little oil in my sufuria and then I add my chopped onions and saute them until soft and fragrant. We're going to go in with our curry powder and we're going to stir for a few seconds to bring out its flavor. Go in with our grated carrots. We are going to go in with our chopped carrot pieces and then our diced potatoes and mix everything together so that they absorb all the flavors. And we are going to go in with our blending tomatoes. We're going to go in with salt, just for taste. And now we're going to mix everything together and we're going to let the mixture cook. I'm going to add in water so that the whole mixture can cook well and stir everything together and bring it to a boil. We are going to go in with our rice. It's already washed, and yeah, we're going to go in with it, and then we'll give it a gentle stir. And the reason as to why I didn't use a lot of water, it's because this is a different type of rice that I'm using. I'm trying it for the first time, so yeah. We're going to cover the sufuria and let the rice cook on low heat until all the water is absorbed and the rice is perfectly tender. And just like that, our rice is ready, full of flavor, and it's so colorful. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy rice, this recipe is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple and delicious home cooked meals. Thank you for watching, food lovers. See you in the next one. Bye.